Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see the examples based on graphical method to solve following 2 by 4 payoff matrix. We have given player A having 4 strategies and player B having 2 strategies 1 and 2. So here this is game is of the type 2 by n payoff matrix. So in 2 by n payoff matrix we will take constant is of the type greater than equal to type here, and finally after solving we will get less than equal to type. Okay, so before solving this by using graphical method, first we check that it has saddle point or not. So write down this example again. So here, so this matrix becomes, so find out row minima and column maximum. So among this first row, minimum value is -2, and in second row minimum value is 2. Now to find out column maximum value is 4, in second column maximum is 3, third column maximum is 3, and last column maximum is 6. Okay, now among this maximum we select minimum value. So here 3 are repeated value, so we'll choose arbitrarily any one of them. So this is maximum value, which is 3, and minimum row will choose maximum value, so which is 2. So this is maximum value. So here maximum value is not equal to min max value, therefore game has no saddle point. Therefore we will use graphical method to solve payoff matrix. Again, next check any column which dominates other column. Let's see here 2 less than equal to 4 less than equal to 3. Therefore every element of column 1 is dominated by every element of column 2. Therefore we can delete column 1, or we can directly use probability for player B having for first strategy, which is x, and probability for player B for second strategy, which is 1 minus x. In this case, what we get, probability of player B to use strategy 1 is x, and probability for player B to use strategy second, which is 1 minus x, because addition of probability always equal to 1. So x plus 1 minus x, so x get cancelled, so we get 1. Okay, so here value of game is v. Therefore we will prepare constants equations. Now here for player B we have strategy for player 1 is x, and strategy for player 2 is 1 minus x. So we get the equations like 2x plus 4 into 1 minus x, right? 2x plus 4 into 1 minus x. And here this game is of the type 2 by n matrix. Okay, in 2 by n matrix we will take constant greater than equal to type. Okay, so twice x plus 4 into 1 minus x greater than equal to b. For second column we will write twice x plus 3 into 1 minus x greater than equal to b. For third column we can write 3x plus 2 into 1 minus x greater than equal to b. And for last column we write minus twice x plus 6 into 1 minus x greater than equal to b. Now after solving this we get, so here 2x minus 4x, which is minus twice x plus 4 greater than equal to v. Next is 2x minus 3x, which is minus x plus 3 greater than equal to v. Next here again after solving we will get x plus 2 greater than equal to v, minus 8x plus 6 greater than equal to v. Now we will find out, we will take variable on left hand side and constant values on RHS. So here we shift this minus twice x to other side, we get here twice x, so we shift other side, so twice x plus v, and here 4 is greater than, okay, so v, which is less than equal to 4. Next again shift minus x to other side, we get x plus v, which is less than equal to 3. Again shift this x other side, we get minus x plus v less than equal to 2. And last shift minus 8x other side, we get 8x plus v less than equal to 6. So this is less than equal to type concept. Now we can write this inequality as equality and find out the values for x and v. So here after writing this inequality as equality, we get the equations twice x plus v is equal to 4, x plus v equal to 3, minus x plus v equal to 2, and 8x plus v is equal to 6. So this is equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now solve equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. First substitute x is equal to 0 and find out its corresponding value of v. Next substitute x is equal to, here x is equal to 1. So always here substitute x is equal to 1. For this particular value we can find out value of v. So here for x is equal to 0 in equation 1 we get value of v is 4. If we put x is equal to, so after substituting x is equal to 0 we get v equal to 4. Substitute x is equal to 1 in this equation we get 4 minus 2 which is 2. Again for x is equal to 0 in equation 2 then we get v is equal to 3. And for x is equal to 1 in equation 2 we get v is equal to 3 minus 1 which is 2. Again next for x is equal to 0 in equation 3 we get value of v is 2. And for x is equal to 1 we get 2 plus 1 which is 3. And last for x equal to 0 in this equation last we get 6. And for x is equal to 1 we get 6 minus 8 which is minus 2. Now we will plot the graph x against v. So here for x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 we will plot two straight line for x is equal to 0, and so this is line for x is equal to 0 and this is line for x is equal to 1. Okay, now we will plot this point in this line. Then what happen, then we will get the intersecting points or intersection point. Okay, so here for x is equal to 0, so what is here minimum value of v? So minimum value of v is minus 2 and maximum value of v among these all values of v which is 6. So here plot this point on this graph. So for x is equal to 0, so this is for line x is equal to 0 and this is for x is equal to 1 line. Now here we join the 0 here. So here, so this is v is equal to 0. V is equal to 0 point, v equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, and this is v is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 and so on. Okay, so first for x is equal to 0 we get v equal to 4. So the point is here. Next for x is equal to 1, so this is line for x is equal to 1 and v is equal to 2. So this is the point. Now join these 2 points. So this is line number 1. Next for x is equal to 0, so for second line x is equal to 0, v is equal to 3. Now this is line for x is equal to 0. In this case v is equal to 3, x is equal to v is equal to 3. So this is line for x is equal to 0 and in this line we get value of 3, v is 3. Next same equation for x is equal to 1. So this is line for x is equal to 1, v is equal to 2. So v is equal to 2 is here. Okay, so plot the graph between these 2 points. So we call this second line. So this is second line. So second equation. Now for third equation we have x equal to 0, v is equal to 2. So we have the line. So this is line x is equal to 0 and here v equal to 2 is here. Now for x is equal to 1, v is equal to 3. So this is line for x is equal to 1. In this case we get v is equal to 3. So the point is here. Now join these 2 points we get, so this is line, call this as line 3, and last for x is equal to 0, v is equal to 6. So this is line for x is equal to 0 and here v is equal to 6. Okay, and last is x is equal to 1, then v is equal to minus 2. So this is line for x is equal to 1 and here v is equal to minus 2. So point is here. Join these 2 points we get, therefore we get this line. So call this as line number 4. So this is line 4, and here in this equation we have the constant. So we have final constant is of the type less than equal to. Okay, so here constant is less than equal to type, therefore we get the feasible region below the origin. Okay, so below the side. Okay, so we get the shaded region like this. So this is the shaded region. Okay, because here we have the constant is of all less than equal to type, therefore we get the region which is below the origin side. Okay, so here Now intersecting points are, so these are intersecting points. So first is here is point R, next here is point Q, next is point, here is intersecting point S, here is intersecting point is here. I will take P, Q, R, S, and here intersecting point is T. Okay, so here is lowest, so highest maximum point is here R, and here is point Q, here intersecting point is S, here intersecting point is P, and here intersecting point is T. Okay, therefore what we say here, shaded region. So this shaded region is shaded region in figure shows feasible region, shaded region in figure shows feasible region. So here there are how many intersecting points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here there are 5 intersecting points. 5 intersecting points, right? So here there are 5 intersecting points, because here it makes a triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 intersecting points, right? So here, therefore, the points. So the points. So which points? The points. So the points are P, Q, R, S, and T. Out of which among that, so which points are outside? Out of which P, Q, S, and T lie outside the feasible region. Outside the feasible region. Therefore, so this point is called R point, right? So therefore R is the highest intersecting point. R is highest intersecting point, which formed by so what is the intersection of this? So intersection of R is line 4 and line 3 formed by line, or so this is we have given column, so which is line 3 and line 4, that is intersection of column. Line 3 means what? We have given, so in this example we have given 4 columns. Okay, so this is the intersection of third and fourth column. Therefore this is intersection of column 3 and column 4. Therefore the subgame formed by column 3 and column 4 becomes, therefore subgame formed by column 3 and column 4 becomes, so subgame, so what we get here, column 3 and column 4. So column 3 having elements 3, 2 and -2, 6. Okay, so we get the subgame. So here for player A, column 3 and column 4, and here for player B, 1 and 2, we have given only 2 rows. Okay, so here 3, -2, 2 and 6. So we solve the game by using this 2 by 2 matrix. So we use algebraic method. Before solving by algebraic method, first check that it has a saddle point or not. So find out row minima. Row minimum is, among that minimum is -2, here minimum is 2. Among this minimum, maximum value is 2. Now next find out column maximum. So maximum value is 3, and here second column maximum is 6. Among this maximum we select minimum value, which is 3. Here minimax value is 3 and maximum value is 2. Therefore maximum value is not equal to minimax value. Therefore, given game has no saddle point. Therefore, we'll use algebraic method to find out the value of game and find out mixed strategies. So this is the table. We have the values. So here 3 minus 2, third column and fourth column, 3 minus 2, 2 and 6. Now make an arrow also this direction. Okay, so find out row difference. Next ratios. Next interchange ratio. Okay, here is column difference. Next ratio, and last interchange ratio. So here first point is 3, second point is minus 2. So 3 minus of minus 2 means what? 3 plus 2, which is 5. Next 6, first element and last element 2. 6 minus 2, which is 4. So addition is 9. Next taking difference, 3 minus 2, which is 1, and next 6 minus of minus 2. So 6 plus 2, which is 8. So addition of this will be 9. So its ratio will be 5 upon row difference upon their sum. So 5 upon 9, and here 4 upon 9. So taking interchanging this value, so we get here 4 by 9 here, and here 5 by 9 here. Now again find out ratio, 1 by 9 and here 8 by 9. So interchanging this value, 8 by 9 and 1 by 9. Therefore here optimal strategy for player B. So this is strategy for player B and this is strategy for player A. Therefore optimal strategies for player A. Player A should be. So player A is here. So what is the optimal strategy here? Player A. So we have for player A there are 4 strategies. We have here only 3 and 4. So in third and fourth position, third position has having value 8 by 9 and fourth position having value 1 by 9. Okay, and here in first two position we will get 0 0 because we have deleted first and second column. And optimal strategy for player B. So in this game we have only two strategy of player B. Therefore optimal strategy for player B. Optimal strategies for player B should be. So what is the optimal strategy for player B? So player B having only 2 strategies, which is 4 by 9 and 5 by 9. Now we have to find out value of game. So therefore value of game is, so this is first, second and is third. Value of game is equal to V star, which is equal to A11x plus A21 into 1 minus x. So which is equal to A11 is 3 into 4 by 9 plus 2 into 5 by 9. Okay, so here 9 on denominator is same. So 3 into 4, 12 plus 10. So which is equal to 22 by 9. And this is the value of game. Okay, so here this completes the solution of given problem. Here we get optimal value of game is 22 by 9. Now let's see one more example. Now we will see examples on graphical method of order m by 2. Now let's see the given problem. So in given problem the order of game is 5 by 2. Okay, that is we have given is of the type m by 2 game. Okay, now in this example we have only 2 columns and there are 5 rows. Okay, now after by using graphical method, before solve it, first we check it has saddle point or not. Now here row minimum. So after checking row, we get minimum value is -2, minimum value is -5, next minimum is -2, minimum is -3, and for fifth column minimum is -4. So among that minimum value we choose maximum value. So here all negative. So maximum among that will be -2, -2. So here maximum value is -2. Next for check column maximum. Now among this first column maximum value is 1 and for second column maximum value is 5. So among this maximum value we choose minimum value. So minimum value is 1. Therefore here maximum value is minus 2 and minimax value is 1. Therefore maximum value is not equal to minimax value. Therefore game has no saddle point. Now let we consider V be the value of game. Therefore here this is for player B strategies. There are 2 strategies and there are 5 strategies for player A. Now we choose strategy we choose probability of player B for strategy 1, which is Y. Okay, and for we choose probability for player B for strategy second, which is 1 minus Y, because addition of this will be 1 and addition of probability is always equal to 1. Now constant equation of this game is, so here we have given only 2 columns and 5 rows. Therefore the given problem is of the type m by 2 game. Okay, so in m by 2 game we take constant is always here less than equal to type, and after solving finally we get here v constant is of the type greater than equal to. Okay, now first write down the constant equation for first equation. Now player B strategy for probability for player B for strategy 1 having value y, and probability for player B having second strategy having value 1 minus y. Therefore we get equation here minus 2 into y, right, minus 2 into y plus 5 into 1 minus y, which is less than equal to v. So in m by 2 game we take here less than equal to constant, and finally we get here greater than equal to, right. Now for second row we get equation minus 5y plus 3 into 1 minus y less than equal to v. Now for third row we get 0y minus 2 into 1 minus y less than equal to v. Next minus 3y plus 0 into 1 minus y less than equal to v, and for last column last row we get y minus 4 into 1 minus y less than equal to v. Now after solving we get minus 2y minus 5, which is minus 7y plus 5 less than equal to v. Next minus 5y minus 3y, which is minus 8y plus 3 less than equal to v. Next here we get here 0, so minus plus, so twice y minus 2 less than equal to v. Last here this term 0, so minus 3y less than equal to v, and here y minus plus 4y, so which is 5y minus 4 less than equal to v. Now shifting this term y on other side we get v plus 7y, here 5 less than equal to type. Okay, so here which is greater than equal to 5. Next here 8 v plus 8y greater than equal to 3. Next we get v minus twice y greater than equal to minus 2. Next v plus 3y greater than equal to 0, and last equation we get v minus 5y greater than equal to minus 4. Now we write this inequality as inequality, then we get the equations like this. Therefore from these inequalities we can write it as equality. We get v plus 7y is equal to 5, v plus 8y equal to 3, next v minus 2y equal to minus 2, and next is v plus 3y equal to 0, and last equation we get v minus 5y equal to minus 4. Now so in these 5 equations, so this is called equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3, this is equation number 4, and this is equation number 5. So in equation 1, first substitute value of y will be 0, next substitute value of y is equal to 1, then find out particular values of y, and these are particular values of v. Okay, now plot this graph y against v. So we plot 2 straight line for y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, and plot the point v on that line. Okay, so here this is the first line for y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Now here what is minimum value of v? So here minimum value of v is minus 4, and among that maximum value is 5. Okay, so we take up to 5, and here minimum value of v up to minus 4. Now plot this point on this graph. So here first y is equal to 0, v equal to 5. So this is first line for y is equal to 0, and here v is equal to 5. So v is equal to 5 point is here. Now for same line y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1, in this case value of v is minus 2. So this is line for y is equal to 1. So value of v is minus 2 is here, and draw the straight line between these 2 points. So we call this line as equation 1. Okay, next for second line. So second line is y is equal to 0, v equal to 3. So for first, so this is for y is equal to 0 and this is v equal to 3. And for second line here same equation, y is equal to 1, then v is equal to minus 5. So this is line for y is equal to 1, then here v is equal to minus 5. So here we take here is point minus 5. Okay, so this is straight line for y is equal to 1, and here is also minus 5, and this is straight line for y is equal to 0. So here minus 5. So plot the line between these 2 points. Call this as equation 2. Okay, so we call this as equation number line number 2. Now for third line. So what is our third line? So for substitute y is equal, so for line y is equal to 0. So this is line y equal to 0 and v is minus 2. So point is here. And next is for third line, y is equal to 1, then v is equal to 0. So this is for line for y is equal to 1, and in this case v is equal to 0. So point is here. So we plot the line between these 2 points. So we call this as line number 3. And next draw line number 4. So line number 4, in this case here value of y is 0. Y is equal to 0. So this is line y is equal to 0, then v is equal to 0. So we get point here. So this is y is equal to 0, and here v is equal to 0. Next for same y is equal to v is equal to 0. Now if y is equal to 1, then v is equal to minus 3. So here this is line for y is equal to 1, and here v is equal to minus 3. Point is here. Now draw the straight line between these 2 points. So we get here. Now we call this as line number 4, and finally we plot this point for line equation number 5. Y is equal to 0, v is equal to minus 4. So this is line for y is equal to 0 and v is equal to minus 4 is point is here. Now last is when y is equal to 1. So this is line for y is equal to 1. In this case v is equal to 1. So which is here. Now draw the straight line between these 2 points. So this is line number 5. Okay. Now given example is of the type. So what is our given example? So given example is of the type m rows and 2 columns only. So this is m by 2 game. In this case we get constant equation finally is of the type here greater than equal to type. So in greater than equal to constant we get the shaded region is above the line. Okay, therefore we get shaded region like this. So here this is the shaded region, right? So this is shaded region. Now we will name the intersecting point. So we call this point is, so this intersecting point is P, this is Q, next is R, S, this is T, U and V. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here U, V, W. So here there are intersecting point. How many intersecting point are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 intersecting point. Among that, so here lowest intersecting point is P. So there are 8 intersecting point which are P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W. Among that only P is in the boundary of shaded region and all other remaining point are lie outside the shaded region. Therefore P is the lowest intersecting point, right? Therefore we select the which is so point P is the intersection of line 1 and line 5. Therefore we take, so we have the we have equation, we have example is of the type 5 by 2 game. Therefore here this point is the intersection of line 1 and line 5. Therefore we select column we select row 1 and row 5 to calculate the value of game. Therefore, we get game of order 2 by 2. Therefore, as shown in figure, the shaded region is feasible region, right? Therefore, the points of intersection. So there are 8 points of intersection. Among that, only point P lies on boundary. Only point P. So this is the only point P which lies on the boundary, and all other remaining points lie outside the boundary. Therefore, only point P lies on the boundary of feasible region. And all other points lie outside the region. Okay, therefore point P is the intersection of line 1 and line 5. Therefore, point P is intersection of line 1. So point P is intersection of line 1 and line 5. Right? Therefore, the subgame formed by so here we have given total there are 5 rows. Therefore, subgame formed by, so here line 1 and line 5 intersection. Therefore, we take subgame which is formed by row 1 and row 5. Therefore, becomes subgame formed by row 1 and row 5 by row 1 and row 5 can be written as so which is, so here for player A, row 1 is, and here we have row 1 and row, so this is intersection line 1 and line 5, so which is 5, and here we have only 2 columns. Okay, so in given example or in given matrix, so row 1 is -2 5 and row 5 is 1 -4. So here -2 5 and 1 -4. So this is which is of 2 by 2 game, right? So this is 2 by 2 game. Now we solve this game by using algebraic method. Before solving by algebraic method, first check it has saddle point or not. Now first check it has saddle point. Now row minimum is -2 and here second row minimum is -4, and for next find out column maximum. So column maximum is 1 and here column second maximum is 5. Among this maximum value, minimum value is 1, and among this minimum value, maximum value is -2. Therefore min max value is 1, max min value is -2. Therefore min max value is not equal to max min value. Therefore game has no saddle point. Right? Therefore value of game will be lies between 1 and -2. Now we solve this game by using algebraic method. Now let's see. So this is the subgame found by row 1 and row 5 can be written as like this. So we can solve this about 2 by 2 game by using algebraic method. So here make an arrow by using or take direction. So taking row difference, so which is -2 -5 which is -7, -4 -1 which is -5, taking addition of this. Again -2 -1 which is -3. Next here for this direction first take this point, so -4 -5 which is -9. So after adding we get -12. Now therefore here dividing -7 by -12 we get 7 by 12. Dividing -5 by -12 we get 5 by 2. So after interchanging we get this ratio. So similarly here taking ratio 3 by 12, so minus 3 upon minus 12, after reducing it we get 1 by 4. Next minus 3 by minus 12, so by deleting common values we get 3 by 4. After interchanging we get values of this. Now so this is probability for A. So for A we get, so this is value for x and this value for 1 minus x, and here this is value for y and this is value for 1 minus y, because addition of probability is always equal to 1. So after adding this we get 1, and again after adding this we get value of 1. Now here given we have total there are 5 columns, 5 rows. Okay, so here for player A we have only 2 strategies, 1 and 5. So here 2, 3 and 4 are deleted. Therefore optimal strategy for player A, which is for first strategy we get 5 by 12 and for last strategy is 5 by 12. So remaining will be 0. So here 5 by 12, 0, 0, 0, 7 by 12 and last. So total there are 5. So here only this term. So 5 by 12, 0, 0, 0, 7 by 12. Now optimal strategy for player B. Now for player B we have only 2 strategy given. So therefore optimal strategy will be 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now here in this example we have taken probability for player A, player B. So in this example we have taken only 2 columns, right? So probability for player B is y, for strategy 1 is y, and for strategy 2 is 1 minus y. Okay, therefore here optimal value of game is, so in this game we take solution is value of game is, so a11 into y plus a12 into 1 minus y. Okay, so which is equal to minus 2 into y is 3 by 4, minus 2 into 3 by 4 plus 5 into 1 minus y, which is 1 by 4. So 5 into 1 by 4. So after calculating it we get minus 1 by 4. Or you can solve by using regular method. Or regular method, what is value of v? Value of game is v is equal to a11 x plus a21 into 1 minus x. So which is equal to a11 is minus 2 into 5 by 12, minus 2 into 5 by 12 plus here 1 into 7 by 12, 1 into 7 by 12. So here denominator are equal, so minus 2 into 5, which is minus 10 plus 7. So minus 10 plus 7, which is minus 3 upon 12. So dividing by 3 we get minus 1 by 4. So in both method we get value of game is same. So here v star is minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 4, and by using this after taking for player B strategies or probability of player B we get again minus 1 by 4. So in both methods we get value of game is same. Now here we have taken, this is a11 and this is a12. Okay, here a11 into y plus a12 into 1 minus y, and here we have taken a11 into x plus a21 into 1 minus x, and we get again same value minus 1 by 4. And this complete solution of given problem. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you.